If everything in the universe follows strict laws of cause and effect, then does that mean every decision we make was already set in motion long before we even existed? Imagine you set up a long line of dominoes. You tip the first one over, and the rest fall in perfect sequence. Now, ask yourself, does any domino in that chain choose to fall? Of course not. Each one falls because of the one before it. And once the first domino is tipped, the rest of the sequence is inevitable. Now, what if I told you that the entire universe, including you, might be working the same way? This is the foundation of determinism, the idea that everything that happens is caused by something before it. In a purely deterministic universe, there's no such thing as an independent choice. Your thoughts, actions, and emotions are just the inevitable result of all the physical processes that came before. The way you reacted to something this morning, determined by your past experiences, your brain chemistry, the electrical signals in your neurons. The fact that you're reading this right now, a consequence of events that stretch back through time, from your childhood to the formation of the Earth itself. This idea isn't just philosophy, it's built into the fabric of classical physics. Isaac Newton's laws describe a universe that operates like a massive, perfectly ordered machine. If you know the state of something at one point in time, like the speed and direction of a planet, you can predict exactly where it will be in the future. And if the same applies to particles in your brain, then theoretically, if someone had all the data, the position and motion of every atom in existence, they could predict everything that will ever happen, including what you'll do next. So, does that mean we're just watching a movie that was already written? Maybe, but there's a twist. Some physicists argue that at the smallest levels, reality isn't quite as predictable as we once thought. Quantum mechanics introduces an element of randomness. Particles behave in ways that seem completely unpredictable. Some take this as evidence that the universe isn't fully determined, and if reality has randomness built into it, maybe free will has a chance.